Hey, let me show you how we can get cool wallpapers, the live wallpapers completely for free on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So all you have to do is just to get the TikTok application on your phone. You can download it from for example, from the Google Play Store. And when you do this, you can just simply open it and log in into your account. After this, you have to log in into the profile in the right bottom corner. Click on the three lines in the right upper corner and select settings and the privacy. Now scroll down, move into the wallpaper and click to find wallpapers. I'm gonna actually mute this sound. There we go. So as you can see from this, you can find a lot of different wallpapers. Let's say that I want to get, for example, this one. So I have to click on it. Now click on this share button, then scroll to the left side and select set as, and then tap to set as wallpaper. So tap on it. Now just wait for it. Click to set wallpaper, select home screen, and take a look right now. Here we can find this cool, beautiful animated wallpaper on our screen. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.